A lot of people are parking. They are all worried. Having dinner accidentally rubbed the car. In fact, this is because the car feels bad and is not confident. Today, I'm going to tell you a way to quickly lift the pole. After learning, driving will never catch the wind again. First of all, you should know the position of the wheels accurately when sitting in the car. In this way, when crossing the narrow road, you are not afraid to rub it. It's simple. In fact, the left side of the steering wheel is the position of the left wheel. We draw it with chalk. The bone joint in the middle of the wiper is the position of the right roof. Also draw it with chalk, so when you stop by the side of the road, as long as the line is drawn, it coincides with the side of the road. Slowly straighten the steering wheel. At this time, the distance is just 30 centimeters. When I was squatting, the left side of the steering wheel will coincide with the edge of the steering wheel. Drive straight ahead. You can pass safely. Then it is to master the limit distance of the front of the car. This requires making good use of the parts of the car. For example, when parking. When the tail light of the nearby car coincides with the lower right corner of the glass. At this time, as long as the steering wheel is full, you can pour it in safely. Finally, when turning the corner, in front is Marlionsy. Keep an eye on the cover. When it coincides with the roadside, at this time, the distance is just 1 meter. So just turn the steering wheel full. You can turn around. Let me ask you, how about it? Isn't it very simple? As long as you master this method, you'll never get scratched again. Pay attention to me and 1,000 car knowledge.